Toda kuti vambotiridzira national anthem iyo. Mumbuyatsoinzwa anetsa mukomana yeyu. Talent rima officers yedu as Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Service tinodada ne prison band nezvavari kuita nekuguruma vakomana vane talent yakadai. May we all rise?
Siwani panda yatiri kuwana kukungurusa madhamu unogona kuwana dhamu rabiwa repeturo iri kukungurusa tiri kuzviona iro wodzosa wochengeta exhibit iyo murunamiridze apo. V is a common word mukati medu hapana notavarara risina V tiri kuvaona vachifamba they are being led by CO1 maposa saka zvina zvazvingashamisa nhasi because chatiri kungoita ndechekuti we are just cementing training yedu zvokuti anozoti iye ini handine mwana handina chandinogona kufora anyway. When you call them, they will perform. Just a straight line. Irula kayo. Irukurowerwa hapo. Chimbopayo maoko for today, please. Hapo. Rula hiyo. Ungadi. Hanzi jashewa mamax, chesa mamax pakati. Ndio zvari kuita izvozvo. About 10 The dog can be trained to remain on the sitting position like what we are seeing right now. Inokomandiwa. That's the main duty of a trainer, to train the dog to adopt the sitting position upon being given the word of command. Says Watawana Jesus. Among those dogs, we have 2 Rottweilers and 3 crossbreeds, one of being as an Alsatian and 2 of being the bloodhounds, where we mix an Alsatian and a Boabel. No, zatiri kuona with the dog details. Zine misoro yakati kure hanzi pamba unotanga wambonoka. Ndo zvinomboitika izvozvo izvi. Ziri kufamba idzi. Ndoziva kuti chef angu ma-OCs they are around. Some of these dogs zatiri kuona dzakawata kumberi, that's the down position. Dzichazodopta dzavo muprovince menyu muchienjoya. Saizvozvo what we are going to see is the distance control, where we are saying a member should work away from his dog and command it to adopt any position. Tiri kuzviona isisi apo wodi ndidheti ndibhuti ndisisi one time one aiwa zvagara zvinowanikwa kana kuvanhu zviriko isi takaintrodusa 305 kuti tipote ticontrola behavior izvozvizvi. Umwe asara but anouya hanzi anoti nonokei asi ari kuuya sezvatiri obstacle crossing. Tiri kuona mbwa ichipinda mutaneri mudhiramumo itonera iroro be used to control rioting prisoners. Kana vanhu vadini Paul, when he was writing to his friend who was in the Philip, he said, beware of the dogs. Nanhasi tiri kuona isusu zvikwangwari mudzimba chakanyorwa beware of dogs. Don't satarisira pasi, chitarise uchichikoshesa.
So I also acknowledge the presence of dogs with us here. Unfortunately, they've gone back to the kennel. That is 5 graduates, of which 4 are males and 1 female, who underwent junior dog instructors course, and 12 graduates, 11 males and 1 female, who are being trained in basic dog trainers course. Let me hasten to mention that the gender imbalance is a matter of concern, as we have few female takers of these courses in the ZPCS dog section. I'm reliably told that since 2000, the ZPCS has trained just 10 females, and of these, only 3 are still in the section, and today we only have 2 females among the graduates. So this is a matter of concern to us. Why? As management, we like to encourage female officers to take up such courses and challenge their male counterparts in the dog section, like what is happening in the horse riding. We have
spend a lot of time waiting to see what will happen, but we should be ready. That's why ZPCS spends most of its time in training its members, like what you are seeing today. Tirikuona zviri kuitika izvozvo, hanzi asarenda mambo haagoing, asi hazvigumiri ipapo. Maaparators avakapiwa ndo anoshandisa kuti tione isusu munhu anoziva zvaakapiwa. Izvozvo vanozviita vakomana. Nguva yatinopedza takagara, tine matools atoshandisa kusanganisira dogs dzatati dzinoshandiswa kucontrol rioters, people. Zvose izvozvo we will be complementing each other nedzimwe hama dzedu dzakatikomberedza. Some of them they are within. Ihondo yatanga kai. Don't be surprised isu kwatiri kunota kunzi chiuyai kwarema. Umwe anoramba inharadada kaidzi iyo nenyero dzacho anoti nanditi anoramba zvese wa yes, that's the nerve-wracking part of dog training. Uchitsengwa zvako takatarisa ise chitaura chikuona uchitsemula zibaba iyo murunamiridze uko musazorodzidzisana kudzimba. Unoti 1 tetiza covid, 2 wotize mavanga eimbwa zvairi kuita izvi. That's the lady from H Metro. Tisazonzwanzi kwanzi hasi kurumisa mwanga dzishande, hanzi chakakosha ndechokutaura chokwadi. When an escape takes place, a correctional officer will say, just within 1 minute aenda izvezvi mufunge. Ndo nhema dzatisingadi, just call the next person unogona kukuseenzesa, so that tinobva takontrola zvinhu zvese izvi. Maaparators atakapiwa neZPCS tinoshandisa to this level. Ndo panorwadzira nyaya idzodzi. Vakuwaiza vakuenda todzosera zvedu mukati, so that the sentence of the court should be carried to the fullest. Nothing.
So please encourage them. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm told the junior dog instructor's course duration was 4 months, from the 6th of September 2001 to the 17th of December 2021. And it is the first to be conducted at this school since its inception. The course covered both the theoretical and the practical concepts, which among others include the following. Number 1, lesson preparations, skills instruction, principles of assessment, other methods of instructions. On basic dog trainers course, students covered the following. Basic obedience, where dogs are taught to respond to commands. Like we saw during the display, the dogs were responding to command. When you say sit, they sit. When you say stand, they stand. Agility, where dogs are taught physical fitness exercise. Men work, where dogs are taught to attack. Gunshot steadiness, where dogs are taught to be steady when there is gunfire. Including basic dog psychology, where dog trainers appreciate how a dog's mind works. Trekking, where dogs are taught to take down the fugitive. Then water training, where dogs are taught to cross rivers in pursuit of the fugitive. The training curriculum was fully packaged and designed to shape you into professional and competent officers in your areas of specialty, that is dog handling. The organization continued to run both internally and external training programs aimed at empowering and developing competent correctional officers who are geared to transform the organization to become the leading correctional service in the region and beyond, according to our vision. I'm convinced the participants who are graduating today have been equipped with the necessary skills and are now ready to deliver. Good morning, Deputy Commissioner General, Zimbabwe Prison and Correctional Service, Junior Dog Instructors and Basic Dog Trainers course number 1 of 2021 pass-out parade is composed of 1 parade commander, 1 parade supernumeral, 5 junior dog instructors, 12 basic dog trainers, 2 members from mounted unit, band and drums from Zimbabwe Prison and Correctional Service band, a total of 41 men and women, all formed up in open order, ready for your inspection. Deputy Commissioner General, sir.
Watrin gom endari pangoma pasina iyi. Yes, akatsigirwa na CO3 makombo ari kunyatsomacha zvinoda kuisa or we may take our seats.